Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of ethical hacking. In this realm, tech-savvy superheroes use their skills to safeguard our online universe. They are the ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, who detect and mend vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks before the bad guys can exploit them. And in the arsenal of these digital defenders, there's a tool that stands out, the IKE-Scan tool. This powerful instrument allows ethical hackers to scrutinize and assess vulnerabilities in Internet Key Exchange or IKE implementations. IKE is the cornerstone of virtual private networks or VPNs and is tasked with establishing secure communication channels. So grab your notepads, because we're about to embark on a 10-minute journey into the heart of ethical hacking. Let's unlock the secrets of IKE-Scan and explore how it's helping to bolster our digital fortresses. Before we dive into the specifics of IKE-Scan, let's quickly revisit the concept of ethical hacking. In the vast digital universe, ethical hackers serve as the guardians of cybersecurity. They are the white hat warriors, using their skills not for mischief or malice, but to fortify the walls of our digital fortresses. Ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who specialize in identifying vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. Their mission? To spot these weaknesses before the bad guys do. They use a variety of tools and techniques, much like a locksmith would, to test the locks and bolts of a system. Upon discovering a vulnerability, they don't exploit it. Instead, they report it. They work diligently to patch these vulnerabilities, ensuring the safety of the system. It's like being a digital superhero, protecting businesses and individuals from cyber threats. Now let's talk about IKE-Scan. The Internet Key Exchange, or IKE, is a crucial protocol utilized in virtual private networks, or VPNs. IKE's primary role is to facilitate secure communication between two devices. It does this by establishing a secure channel that allows safe data transfer between the devices connected through a VPN. However, like any other internet protocol, IKE is not immune to vulnerabilities. If IKE is misconfigured or has any inherent weaknesses, it becomes a potential entry point for attackers. This is where IKE-Scan enters the picture. IKE-Scan is a command line tool designed to help ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, discover and evaluate any vulnerabilities in IKE implementations. The tool operates by sending IKE Phase 1 packets to the target IP addresses and then analyzes the responses. This process allows IKE-Scan to identify whether the target is running IKE and what configurations it's using. One of the key strengths of IKE-Scan is its versatility. It supports a wide range of IKE Phase 1 proposal attributes, including various encryption algorithms, hash algorithms, authentication methods, and Diffie-Hellman groups. This broad support enables IKE-Scan to effectively analyze a diverse range of IKE implementations. Moreover, IKE-Scan isn't just about identifying vulnerabilities. It's also about understanding them. The tool provides detailed output that helps ethical hackers gain a comprehensive understanding of the detected vulnerabilities. This understanding is crucial in devising effective countermeasures to bolster the security of the IKE implementation. But remember, while tools like IKE-Scan are powerful, they're not magic wands. They don't automatically fix vulnerabilities. They provide critical information that enables security professionals to understand and address the vulnerabilities. It's the expertise and actions of the ethical hackers that truly make the difference. So, in the hands of a skilled ethical hacker, IKE-Scan is a potent tool that can uncover vulnerabilities in IKE implementations, providing the first step towards strengthening the security of VPNs. However, if misconfigured or vulnerable, it can become a potential entry point for attackers. Let's now see IKE-Scan in action. This powerful tool packs a punch with a host of features that is designed to help ethical hackers identify potential weaknesses in IKE implementations. One of its standout features is the aggressive mode detection. IKE-Scan can detect if a system is using aggressive mode during the IKE negotiation process. This mode, while efficient, is more susceptible to certain types of attacks. Therefore, identifying its usage is key to mitigating potential risks. Next up, the identification of vendor-specific extensions. IKE-Scan isn't just a one-size-fits-all tool. It can identify vendor-specific IKE implementations. This nifty feature provides valuable information for targeted assessments, allowing ethical hackers to tailor their approach to the specific system at hand. Last but certainly not least, we have the pre-shared key cracking feature. IKE-Scan can attempt to crack pre-shared keys, demonstrating the critical importance of robust key management practices. If a key can be easily cracked, it serves as a welcome mat for attackers. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, let's see IKE-Scan in action. Here I'm initiating a scan with IKE-Scan, targeting a specific IP address. As the scan progresses, IKE-Scan provides real-time detailed information about the IKE negotiations. It flags potential vulnerabilities and offers insights into the system's security posture. Remember though, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to have proper authorization before conducting any ethical hacking activities. Unauthorized testing can not only damage systems, but also lead to legal consequences. As the scan wraps up, you'll see a wealth of information at your disposal. From the IKE negotiation process to potential vulnerabilities, every bit of data serves a purpose. This information, when used correctly, is gold for an ethical hacker looking to strengthen a network's security. So there you have it, IKE-Scan, a potent tool in the ethical hacker's toolbox. Now go forth and use this knowledge to fortify the digital fortresses of our online world. As with any ethical hacking tool, using IKE-Scan responsibly is of utmost importance. This means you need to keep a few key practices front and center. First off, always ensure you have proper authorization before conducting any ethical hacking activities. Unauthorized testing can lead to legal consequences, so it's essential to have the green light before you begin. Next, make sure you document your findings meticulously. This information is invaluable when it comes to addressing and remedying any vulnerabilities you discover. A well-maintained record of your work can serve as a roadmap for necessary security improvements. Lastly, if you're part of a team or working with a client, effective communication about your findings is key. Clear, concise reporting helps ensure that necessary security measures are understood and implemented effectively. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to strengthen security, not to exploit vulnerabilities for malicious purposes.